Good morning and welcome to Wandering Wanda. I'm Ariel. Today we will be hopefully trying to fix this, and I'm hoping it's just the airflow thing that's broken or dirty and it needs to be air blown out. So we need to take these 6 screws here off. Oh, there's not one here. Okay, 5 screws. Take this out, and then there's two screws inside that we need to take out and then air blow it. So that's all we're doing, and if that doesn't work, then we don't have a propane furnace, because then I need to take it in to get it repaired again. All right, follow along. No, I don't know what I'm doing. I watch Brad from 13 Adventures do this, and he's said it works, so we're just gonna do that. I lost a screw. Yeah. I'm always losing a screw. My concern is that I don't want someone to get a screw. That did the trick. It's working. So let's come out here, turn it off, and then reset it. So we have propane furnace again. Yay! All right, we are here at the Kingman KOA with the, oh God, my mind just went blank. With the Fantasy RV Tours Route 66 Caravan. And since we are here in Kingman, I've got my genius Airstream repair person. Hello? Jason, you all know him. And he is trying to fix the propane furnace, which has been out. You've heard me complaining about it for the last 2 parks. So it's some sort of sail switch. For my furnace is right here.
That's the part right there. See how it springs open? It should do that every time, but it doesn't.
Oh. So he got 2 kinds, and he can charge me for both. That's fine. I don't really care. I was ready to tell him to rip this thing out and give me a brand new one. But he knows what he knows me.
I don't normally work in the field, so I never have exactly the right tools when I do.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay. I have an angled screwdriver that would be perfect for this in my toolbox at the shop.
You have a mega shop, and you have everything there.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Was this it?
We'll see.
So far, it's a good sign.
Yeah, but it doesn't seem to be engaging.
Waiting for the propane. Should be about right now. Okay.
I think I can adjust it.
Oh, we can adjust it. We're gonna adjust it. Okay, gonna leave him alone. Okay, this little piece is the reason I was freezing. It's called a sail switch. So this is supposed to pop out. It's connected to this thing. And it hasn't been working properly. This is Jason. I am too. He's fixing my propane furnace, which has been out for 2 days.
Oh no! How's that blanket been working then that you bought? You only needed 4 of them, didn't you?
Jason is responsible for, I'm going to say 90% of the upgrades in this trailer.
Oh.
And he's located here in Keenan.
Well, didn't you luck out?
So I called him yesterday. I'm freezing. I'm not happy. I called him this morning. Okay, we're allowed to check in at 1. I might get there about 2:30. Can you meet me at 3?
Okay, good, good.
So yeah, he's only here temporarily.
Okay.
Walter's coming, so
Yeah, good deal.
he'll park here somewhere.
Yeah.
Jason is putting all the screws back. I'm missing a screw, by the way.
Oh, okay. I don't think this is working right without this in here.
Okay, I'm just so thrilled right now. We're gonna get propane furnace again. Okay, again, this is called a sail switch.